the best GoPro-Type cameras in 2024. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the best GoPro-Type cameras on the market. Whether you're an action junkie, a vlogger, or just someone who wants to capture memories in stunning detail, we've got you covered. From the latest and greatest to budget-friendly options, we'll break down which camera is right for you. Let's get started. First up, the GoPro Hero13 Black, the newest flagship from the brand that defined this category. The Hero13 Black shoots 5.3K video at 60 frames per second, offering incredibly detailed and cinematic footage. The overall image quality is phenomenal, with vibrant colors and excellent dynamic range. GoPro has improved its hyper-smooth stabilization, making it even better at smoothing out shaky shots. The Hero13 Black retains its rugged waterproof design so you can take it anywhere with confidence. All this cutting-edge tech comes at a price, but if you're serious about capturing the best quality footage, it's worth considering. The Hero13 Black is perfect for those who want a camera that can keep up with their wildest adventures. If you're looking for that classic GoPro experience but aren't ready to drop top dollar, the GoPro Hero12 Black is an excellent option. It shares many features with the Hero13 Black, but comes at a more palatable price point. You're still getting impressive 5.3K video recording, though it maxes out at 30 frames per second. The Hero12 Black boasts GoPro's incredible hyper-smooth 5.0 stabilization, ensuring smooth footage. It has the same rugged build quality and waterproof design that GoPro is known for. For most people, the Hero12 Black offers a fantastic balance of performance, features, and value. Let's switch gears and talk about the Insta360 Action 2. This camera is all about versatility and unique perspectives. It's incredibly small and lightweight, featuring a modular design for different shooting situations. The Action 2 captures stunning 360-degree footage, allowing you to choose your focus in post-production. It can also shoot traditional video at up to 4K resolution with excellent image stabilization. Thanks to its small size and magnetic mounting system, you can attach it to almost anything for creative shots. The Insta360 Action 2 is perfect for adventurers, vloggers, and anyone who wants to add a unique flair to their footage. It's a niche camera, but it excels in what it does and is a blast to use. Next up, the DJI Action 2, a camera that's all about delivering incredibly smooth and stable footage. DJI's rock-steady electronic image stabilization is arguably the best in the business. It smooths out even the most jarring bumps and shakes, making your footage look like it was shot on rails. The Action 2 can shoot 4K video at up to 120 frames per second, capturing all the action with incredible detail. It features a unique modular design with a magnetic mounting system for creative shooting possibilities. The DJI Action 2 is an excellent option for anyone who prioritizes smooth cinematic footage. Last but not least, the Akaso Brave 7, a more budget-friendly option. This camera offers surprisingly good performance and features for the price. The Brave 7 can shoot 4K video at up to 30 frames per second, which is more than enough for most people. Its built-in image stabilization does a good job at smoothing out footage, especially considering the price. It comes with a waterproof case and a variety of mounting accessories right out of the box. The Akaso Brave 7 is perfect for casual users, beginners, or anyone who wants a secondary camera for different perspectives. So there you have it, folks. Those are some of the best GoPro-type cameras you can buy right now. From the top-of-the-line GoPro Hero13 Black to the budget-friendly Akaso Brave 7, there's an option for every need and budget. Consider what you'll be using the camera for, how important image quality and features are to you, and your budget. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech reviews and updates. See you in the next video.